Hi everyone. In our previous video, we learned how to just launch a display campaign. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a responsive ad on the display campaign. So, Google Ads has come up with a fantastic platform to make display ads on the go. Now, you really don't need to work a lot on your creatives. All you need is your website URL and 10 unique headlines with minimum 5 descriptions, your logo in 2 dimensions, that is 1 is to 1 and 1.9 is to 1, along with one marketing image in once again 1 is to 1 and 1.9 is to 1. So I will just demonstrate how to launch a responsive ad on the go. To start off with the display responsive ad, take your website URL, place it here. Google has come up with a fantastic scanner for your website which automatically scans your logos, hero images, marketing images. You can select your logo in 2 dimension, 1 is to 1 and 4 is to 1. Click on the continue. Similarly, once again, we will select the marketing image. So this could probably be a 4 to 1 logo. So click on save. Here you can add additional videos. Once again, all your videos need to go on a YouTube URL. You can either unlist the video in case you don't want a public to have a look at the videos, or you can publish them and then just paste the URL here. You can add up to 5 YouTube videos in a responsive display ad. Now, the most important parameter is headlines. Make sure you add unique headlines. We have two types of headlines to be added. One is a short headline, which is around 30 characters, and a long headline, which is 90 characters. Also, descriptions need to be unique. Again, description 90 characters. Make sure you add the business name. We can add a call to action button to the ad. So here you can leave it on Google to figure out what could be the automated call to action, or you can select one. I'm going to select contact us. Uh, there is another option of customized colors. In case you all are not flexible with your brand colors, you want to make sure that your ads have a specific brand color, then you can add your hex in the main color as well as the accent color. So what this will do is that along with your image, your call to actions will come in a band. So for example, I'm just adding in and in the main color, I'll go with okay, and this is how my ad will look. So you can preview various sizes which a responsive ad comes into. So you can see you can it keeps on changing as per your responsive ad. The best part about these ads are you don't need to actually customize them. These permutation combinations will be the best A/B testing which you could do for your ads. Also, responsive ad comes up with a very nice feature called the ad send. Make sure that the ad strength here is excellent to give the best performing ad. Uh, you can achieve that excellent goal by adding at least two marketing images along with your two logos. Uh, Currently, I have just added one marketing image. We could always go with the two marketing images. And you can add some more in this. You can keep the text content on the image really low because there will be headlines and description displayed along with the image. More the number of headlines you add, this also gets highlighted here along with the description. Right now it is showing incomplete because I haven't filled in a lot of data. But we can go ahead and fill in some more headlines and description. Uh, So you can have a look at the ads. This is how the ads will look. And once you've completed all these parameters, you can just go ahead and create the campaign. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 responsive ads in each ad group which you launch. Uh, don't forget the traditional way. In case you have in-house images of the dimensions required for the display spec, please go ahead and upload them. Also, you can copy paste text, expanded text ads from your search campaigns into the display campaign. Um, this is a very old feature of showing text ad and display platform. However, slowly Google is turning into more into responsive ad, and you will always see a better uh, what you can say is a CTR through responsive ad as compared to the text and just the images ad. Don't forget the native GIFs. The native GIFs are one of the still widely used format for display ads. You can try them as well. But responsive ads don't need much of an expertise. You can send across a message with much more emphasis to the text and make sure you do your A/B testing correctly. Switch off the responsive ads in case they are not running well with poor CTRs. As a standard, make sure your display ads give you at least 2 to 3% of CTR. Anything above this would be that your ads are exceptional and are doing well. I hope this tutorial was of help about responsive ads. Any queries, please leave them in the comment section. Uh, we do reply on a very regular basis. Stay tuned for the next video, which will talk a little bit more about display campaigns in detail. Thank you.